Hi, today I'm gonna make another refresh video about the stuff that I have around my house. It's been a while since I made the first one, and I've been adding stuff as time goes by. So I'm just gonna go around again and show you what I have. And if you feel like you want to know more about a specific item, just let me know in the comments, and I can see if I can make a video about a specific topic that you would like to know. So I'm going to start here in my room. I have my Amazon Echo. Alexa, hello.
Hi there.
And I have a Net Atmo weather station. This allows me to know the temperature inside my bedroom and also outside. So I use this to compare the temperature that I read on my Nest thermostat in the upper part of my house and here in my bedroom, which is a lower section of the house. I want to see if the heating is even, and if not, I like to see the difference. So that's why I have this Net Atmo station, and it also lets me know about the air quality inside my bedroom and also the noise level. So it's quite handy to have, and it's it also connects to the SmartThings hub so that you can have access through the SmartThings app. So it works really well. I have two TVs. My TV here that I use as my desktop with this Mac Mini computer. I have another TV here which is connected to another Mac Mini computer, and I also use to watch stuff on the internet. I have my sound system, and I have one Sonos speaker. This I use with my SmartThings hub system to wake up in the morning. I have it set up to wake up to my radio station from TuneIn, so that works very well. I have a Blu-ray player here that I also use with my Harmony Hub. I use my Harmony Hub to use all my electronic media. I have also my infrared radio extender, so I can use it to control my TV in the living room. I use the Harmony Hub, which is right there. When I tell the Harmony Hub to start the TV in the living room, it sends a signal to the infrared to radio converter, and it sends it upstairs, and that's how I can control my TV in the living room up there. I have an Apple Airport Express station here, which allows me to extend my home network. It's very important to have a reliable network, especially if you have a lot of devices for home automation. So I have three Airport Express stations, one here, one in my garage, and the main one my office, which is the one that it's connected to my internet modem. So I have Philips Hue lights all around my bedroom. This is what I use for illumination. I have a Philips Hue Go, which is very good. I have that for emergencies, like if power goes out, the Philips Hue Go has a battery, so that will work even if there is no power for some hours. I have a Philips Hue tap switch here, which is really good. I have a few scenes program with the switch, so it works really nice. If I press it, I get different scenes. I have this for later at night, and then this is the one that I use most of the times. I also can use everything that I have. Most of the stuff that I have in my room I use Alexa to control. Alexa, turn on all video.
Okay.
So there I control Alexa to turn on my wall fireplace, my TV, and my other TV. I have a Wemo switch that allows me to control also this fan that I have right here. Alexa, turn on the fan.
Okay.
So I control this fan using Alexa and a Wemo switch. Alexa, turn off the fan.
Okay.
And also I have this internet service which is very close, very similar to if this then that, if. It's called Stringify, and it also allows you to have some routines to do some cool stuff. You will make flows and you can connect all your devices, and for some things it's very useful. Like for example, I use it for Alexa, tell Stringify to run bedroom chill.
Running bedroom chill.
So if I don't want to use my Philips Hue tap switch, I just run a flow from Stringify to change the color of my lights. That's something that I still don't find how to do with voice other than Stringify, so I like that feature. Although the how you call it, it's not the most natural way, but it works. Alexa, tell Stringify to run movie night.
Running movie night.
So I have that other routine that changed the color to blue for late night, or if I want to watch a movie on TV. Alexa, tell Stringify to run bedroom relax.
Running bedroom relax.
So that's back to normal here in my rooms. So here, this is my closet. So if I walk in, I have a Fibaro motion sensor over there that picks up motion, and then it turns on this light, and also the main light, which is Philips Hue white ambience flood light bulb. These are quite new, so I just installed that recently, and it works really well, and they all work together. This is a regular lamp that is connected to a Wemo switch right there. So when the Fibaro motion sensor picks up the motion, it turns on the Wemo switch, and also it turns on the main light here in the closet. And then moving down to my basement, Alexa, turn on the house basement.
Okay.
So here I have another Echo Dot. I have my Apple TV downstairs here, the one that is connected to my TV in my living room. Alexa, turn on the laundry. So I have some Hue lights here. I have also a tap switch here to control all my lights, the two rooms down there, the laundry room and the main basement room, which is very good. You can take it off from the wall and make use of the switch, really practical. And I can control all of my lights through here if I don't want to use Alexa to do so. So it's very useful. Alexa, turn on the house basement.
Okay.
So it works well like that. And that is my basement. My downstairs hallway here, the only thing I have to show is this Wemo in-wall switch. This is the only one that I have. I was trying different types of switches, and this is very good. Like, the only thing that you need to make sure is that you have a good Wi-Fi connection in the spot that you want from your house. And if that's the case, this Wemo in-wall switch, it will connect directly to your home Wi-Fi. You don't need any intermediate hubs to connect, so it's really good. It's also very cheap. It's like $45, so it works out quite well. You don't need any external hubs, and it connects to your Wi-Fi, and you can control your lights. I use these to control my lights here outside in my backyard. Another white ambience floodlight from Philips Hue. So here I have the other part of my Net Atmo weather station. This is the outdoor module. This measures the outdoor temperature and the atmospheric pressure, and also the humidity. And now I'm here in my car garage. Alexa, turn on the car garage.
Okay.
So here in the car garage I have another Philips Hue light over there, and I have here Wemo switch that controls that light, and here I have another Echo Dot So in that way I can control here my lights in the car garage. It's really helpful. It's nice to have when I come back from work and everything is dark, so I can use Alexa to turn on the lights. I have also my garage control here. It's called the Go-Go Gate. I was an early adopter for car garage openers, so this is the one I found back then a few years ago. It still works very well. It doesn't have integration with the Amazon Echo, but it's okay. I don't have a need to really replace it right now. It works well, and I can use the app from Go-Go Gate to operate the car garage, and it works really well. So that's what I have here. Alexa, turn off the car garage.
Okay.
So that was my garage. Now I'm walking upstairs to my kitchen and living room. Here I have several more Philips Hue lights. Here in my living room I have these very cool balloon kind of lights, and this cone shaped light fixture. So in the summer I have these lights outside in my backyard. They look really nice, especially in different colors. But right now it's winter started, so I brought them inside my living room, and now they are gonna provide indoor illumination during the winter. They're really good for outdoor use as well. They are well protected against water, and they work really nice outside as well. They are from a company called Twist Production, and they are out of Montreal, so I really recommend them. They're not very cheap, but they are really nice. So here I have my upstairs living room TV, which I can control also with Alexa, and my Harmony Hub, which is downstairs. I'm using my infrared extender here. So I send a command to the Harmony Hub, and then it's sent over radio frequency upstairs, and I have here a little infrared device that picks it up and shoots to the TV, and that way that's how I can start it. Alexa, turn on the living room TV.
Okay.
So that way my sound system turns on and the TV goes on, and that's how I watch my Apple TV upstairs here. So it works really well. And I have my Nest thermostat, which is really cool. I really like it. It's also connected to Alexa. Alexa, set the thermostat to 18 degrees.
Okay.
So I can change the temperature using Alexa. It works really nice. Alexa, set the thermostat to 21 degrees.
Okay.
So it works really well. I have here Philips dimmer switch, which I use to control my lights. I use it as a backup because I use Alexa to control my lights. Alexa, turn off the living room lights.
Okay.
So I haven't changed my lights from the backyard to the living room so that they act on Alexa on the same group, so that's why they stayed on. Alexa, turn on the living room lights.
Okay.
So there it goes. And as I said, I can use also my Philips Hue dimmer switch to turn them on and off, like change the intensity. And the difference between the dimmer switch and the Hue tab is this: here you can only program one scene and then turn them on and off and modify the intensity. But it works really well. It's really practical as well, but I usually use it as backup in case I cannot use my voice to control the lights. So that's how it works upstairs. I also have here a Nest Protect device. It detects smoke very efficiently. If you are making toast and the alarm goes off, you can shut it down, jumping and trying to silence it directly on the device. Or if you don't want to do exercise, then you just go to your app and silence it right from there. So it's very practical, it's really good. I have here another hue tap switch, which it's very practical. I have different scenes here to turn on my kitchen. I have different color set for the kitchen. Nice green color, which this will later on turn on automatically by itself to this color. I have it set. I have different routines of light that when sunset arrives it turns in orange color, which is a nice tone, and then later at night when I want to have a more subtle kind of tone of light, I switch it to this green, so the house turns into this green color, and it looks also very nice. I have some hue light strips here on my kitchen sink and under the counter. It's a nice accent for furniture, so it looks really good. I have a couple of lights on my stove, so I can either use the switch to turn them into white light when I'm cooking. It's very useful. Or I can just set the other colors in the kitchen with the Philips Hue tab, or I can also use Stringify to control my lights here. Alexa, tell Stringify to run living room relax.
Running living room relax.
Alexa, tell Stringify to run living room chill.
Running living room chill.
So I can use Stringify to turn the color of my lights using Alexa as well. The other thing is I have a couple of fixtures upstairs, also here in the kitchen and also in my dining area. So for that I didn't want to install individual light bulbs. That's a little bit more expensive and not really practical, and I was not really interested in controlling different lights on the fixtures. So I'm only interested in having light when I really need it. So I installed some in-wall switches from Instion. I have 4 of these switches. When I started with my system, I was looking to see which systems work together with Alexa, and I ran into the Instion system and I started trying the switches and I like them. I didn't install anymore because I prefer the Hue system for lights, but for the fixtures and other stuff, this system works very well as well. I really like how it works by itself. So the fixtures that I have here are controlled by in-wall switches from Instion. I have one there, I have one outside to control my patio light, and I have one to control my front door porch. So that's how I control the main lights here. Alexa, turn on the kitchen.
Okay.
So there it goes. I have the 2 main lights from the kitchen connected through the Amazon Echo and the Instion hub. Alexa, turn off the kitchen.
Okay.
So there it goes. I can also do it independent. Alexa, turn on the dining table.
Okay.
There it is. Alexa, turn off the kitchen. There it
Okay.
is. So that's in the kitchen and the living room. I have some Hue lights here. I recently installed this Philips Hue motion detector. It's one of the most recent products from Philips. So I installed that, and that controls the light here on my upper hallway. So when I walk through it, it turns on this Philips Hue white ambience light. They work nicely together. And then here in my upstairs bathroom, I have another Philips Hue motion sensor and some spotlights from Philips Hue as well. It works really well. Whenever I walk in, the lights turn on and they turn off after 15 minutes if there is no motion detected. And just here in my office, little office room, I have the brains of my system. I have all the hubs that make all the work possible. I have the SmartThings hub, my internet modem, and my main Apple Express station. I made a video about how important it is to have a really reliable network, for especially if you have a lot of home automation devices. You can use the airport app to monitor and set up your network around the house. I have 3 network devices that expand and give better coverage in all the house areas that also handle the load of my system around the house. I have here the Philips Hue hub as well. This is the first generation. If you're interested in having your Hue system working with Siri and your iPhone, then you need a second generation hub, but in this case I'm just interested to use it with my Amazon Echo, so the first generation works really well. You can connect to the hub up to 63 devices, although Philips recommends installing 50 to work most efficiently, but I'm up to 48, so it keeps building up. If you want to install more than 63, you need an additional hub to keep adding either light bulbs or devices that work with the Philips Hue system. I have there the Instant Hub. This is the also second generation that works with the Amazon Echo. There is another version that it's also compatible with HomeKit, so that you can control your Instant devices using Siri, but you have to choose a platform. So I chose to work with Amazon Echo and Alexa. So all these are the devices that I have that allow me to work really well with it. And here in my bathroom downstairs I have another Amazon Echo Dot. I have it up there so it's out of the way and it doesn't get wet with normal use. So Alexa, tell me the news.
Here's your flash briefing. In NPR News from TuneIn. Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Janine Herbst.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play music from TuneIn.
Getting the last TuneIn station you listened to. Energy Zurich.
What's missing? It's about me and not about you.
Alexa, stop. So I have Alexa available here also. Alexa, turn off the bathroom.
Okay.
So I can control the light here in the bathroom. If I come here late at night or in the morning, it's nice to have automatic control of the lights. Alexa, turn on the bathroom. Alexa, turn on the bathroom.
Okay.
So here the only thing that I'm missing to show, it's my door lock. It's from Kwikset. So I can use my SmartThings hub to turn on and off, to open the door and close the door at different times at night when it's time to shut down the house. I can set a routine to close the door automatically if it's not closed, so it works really nice. And I can monitor it from if I'm not home. I can do that using the SmartThings hub, or if not, I can also use again the Amazon Echo and Alexa. Alexa, tell Stringify to run door close.
Running door close.
So there I use Alexa to operate the door lock. Alexa, tell Stringify to run door open.
Running door open.
So there it is. I'm using Alexa to operate one of the locks at my house. So that's it from this side of the system. So I'm back in my room, and that's pretty much what I have right now around the house. So like I said, if you're interested in a specific topic, just let me know. I can see if I can make a video of that, or I can just respond to your questions that you may have. Thank you, and see you next time.